Welcome, family. Welcome. I'm a bit late on this live broadcast, but nevertheless, I am here. Thank you so much for joining me. I just want to switch on my monitor here so I can see myself quite clearly as I talk to you. Definitely, we are ready. We are ready. Welcome, everybody. I know you've been waiting. We're supposed to be on by 2 o'clock. Now it's about 8 minutes past 2. But nevertheless, we are here. I believe that God will give us the strength and the grace to kill the market today and also impact the lives of everybody that's watching on this stream. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Let me know where you're watching from in terms of which country, or if you're in South Africa like myself, which province. Okay. As you guys know, this is us over here. This is Skilled FX Academy. It's an institution, or rather, an educational institution that aims to provide the highest quality of Forex education in the simplest way for anyone to understand. So that is us over there. I'm just going to flow a bit faster, introducing everybody. I see Ocean Sky from Nigeria. Welcome, brother. You're very consistent with us. You've been with us. I'm not sure if yesterday you were here, but definitely thank you so much for joining us, family. Thank you. Thank you. Invite more people to join us over here. Lesotho in the game. Lesotho. I see Lesotho in the game. That is amazing. That is amazing. I see Namibia as well. Amazing. Amazing. Namibia in the country. Namibia. Awesome. Beautiful. 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 Let's go over here. Let's go over here and just introduce everything. So, guys, I'm required by the FSCA to give a disclaimer that you can see on your screen that Forex trading does, of course, carries margin, or rather high risk of margin, and of course will not be suitable for every investor. There's a high degree of leverage that can work against you if you don't know what you're doing, as well as we need to put into words what this stream is all about. It is for informational purposes only and does not constitute as advice for you to buy or sell, okay? And instruments, whatever that I do on the screen is just for informational purposes. This is required by the FSCA, okay? So we have the Financial Board of South Africa that regulates everything concerning finance or whatever in terms of trading. They regulate that. Okay. There we go. We got Dubai. We got South Africa, East Rand. Amazing, amazing. Power to you, brother. We got four ways in the house. We got okay. Which country you coming from, my brother? Which country? SA. Amazing, amazing. If you're in South Africa, just name your province. If you're outside of South Africa, you can just name which country you're coming from. Please do like the stream, everybody. Do like the stream. It will help us greatly in terms of reaching everybody outside of our parameters over here. How YouTube works is that when you like a stream like this one over here, it will say, oh, people like it, therefore let us suggest it to more people. So we'd like a lot of people to see this type of content that you are seeing on your screen. I'm going to leave the disclaimer on your screens about this. We've got Free State, amazing. Free State in the house, Free State in the house. This is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. I do have my monitor here, so you will look a bit down over here just to see exactly what are we seeing. But nevertheless, God bless everybody. Just one thing, guys, one important thing that I have to tell you. It came this afternoon, guys. Please be careful of Telegram scams. Okay, I do not run any account management or investment sort of that. Okay, there are a lot of Telegram groups that are using our brand to masquerade as me. They even praise God. Another one is even a Muslim guy there who's running his scam thing in our name. So please, guys, let us be careful. I do not do account management. I do not do investments. Okay, you rather go to our website and take our number from there, or go to our YouTube channel. We have our emails, we have our number on the YouTube channel. Don't search, or rather, don't try to search on Telegram and chat to these groups that you do not know. I do not take any investments. Can we be clear on that? Anyone who's gonna get scammed from here on and saying, "Oh my God," then you come to me afterwards. How did you find me? How did you find the real guy afterwards? So please, guys, let us be careful when it comes to this Instagram scams. Okay, some of the scammers, they are watching right here. They track every move. They share every screenshot, everything I take on their groups, masquerading like they're the real people. Can you agree, guys? You rather take our numbers on this YouTube channel over here. If you go to our descriptions, you go to our website, there is a WhatsApp link on our website. You click that WhatsApp link to take you directly to chatting to our team. Okay, I do not prefer Telegram. I am not actually active that much in Telegram. We do have a free group, but please, guys, let us be careful. People are being scammed in our name. So can we just be careful, guys? Okay, let's go ahead. I hope I've cleared that out, and people who are gonna be watching that later on, I hope I've cleared that out. Now, today we have rather interesting events that are taking place at the same time. I did promise you guys that we will be live broadcasting, so there we go. I am going to be on investing.com showing you exactly what's happening there on investing.com, which events are going to be taking place. I'm not sure about trading these events because there are three events trading at once or moving, causing impact at once, and I'll tell you why. Okay, but we will, of course, see it together and make a decision if we're trading or not. Okay, so we have durable goods orders, and of course, we have the GDP of USA, and we have initial jobless claims. Now, if I can just explain each and every one of them, I'm not sure if that will show on the stream. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if that will show on the stream. No, it doesn't show it. It opened another folder. Okay, that's all right. It was supposed to show on the stream exactly what the event is all about. But nevertheless, so when we come to the gross domestic product, we know that it measures the gross domestic product of USA. This is quarterly after quarterly. So that means every sort of 3 months they give this event specifically. It comes every month, but there is one for month after month, and there is what we call quarterly or quarterly over quarterly. Then there is year over year. Then we have initial jobless claims every week. Actually, this event comes out. Okay, so it simply just lets us know how many people are filing for unemployment within the USA. This event right here, it just simply tells us that how many people are filing to be jobless. Okay, so we get to understand. But now the tricky part about all of these events being all at once is that one event can decide, okay, we are causing impact on Nasdaq to sell. Another event can say at the same time I'm causing bullish impact on Nasdaq. The other one can also agree. So you'll find that when there's so many events like this all at once, is that the market sort of just spikes up. So it goes whipsaw. Have you ever heard of whipsaw? When the market goes up and down. So we gotta be very extra careful, low risk when it comes to trading such events. I hope we are clear, family. Okay, I hope we're clear. I hope we're clear. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my chart right now and let's see what the market is in store. And definitely, I'm gonna be sticking quite closely to Nasdaq. I don't usually trade news on. I don't usually trade news on US30. Okay, but we're gonna check as well. DXY is gonna give us a bit of confluence over there. It's gonna give us more confluence over there. Let's just see. I wanna adjust the quality of the stream. So if you're watching and it's showing you lower quality about the stream, just make sure on your video you can click. It's called HD 1000 higher picture. Okay, so it should show you a higher picture on that. Then it will be much clearer when you look at my chart. Okay, so far, what is our sentiment? I want to go into DXY. DXY, what it does, it just shows us where the market is leaning towards, especially the USA market. Okay, It just shows us exactly where it's gonna go. Okay, already when I'm on DXY, I can see something over here where we do have that supply over there. I cannot just ignore that. I'm just gonna go all the way to the 4H. Okay, we can see that the market is actually impacted within the supply. Let's go to the H1. Clearly, yes, the market is within a supply on DXY. I'm just gonna confirm that as well together with USD JPY. So technically, that's how I want to teach you how to predict news. Let's go to USD JPY. I'm looking for it over here. I'm not sure if I added it. This is Swiss franc. Okay. I think I removed my USD JPY. Let me add USD JPY over here. Okay, are we still on the same page, family? What do you guys see when it comes to this news taking place? Which direction do you see Nasdaq being impacted on the markets? I'm going to add Pepperstone. Okay, let's see what this has in store for us. Okay. Okay, so we can see the dollar has been quite bullish in terms of this days. It's really been bullish. I mean, I think it just broke that highest high of all time, actually. Highest high of all time. So I just want to see exactly what's going to be happening today. We're going to go all the way to the 4H time frame. Okay, I do see something there that I can better articulate on the H1. There we go. We take a Fibonacci, you can clearly see where Nasdaq is. USD JPY rather. We can see where USD JPY. I do see the supply. Actually, the market did touch the supply that's in the premium market. Okay. And also, we're going to get more confirmation with our direction in terms of at least a few minutes before. I have 33 people on the stream. Let's see what you guys see on this USD JPY. Where do you see it being impacted? Do you see buys or sells? Where do you lean towards? Where do you lean towards? Okay. Let's talk, family. Let's talk. I'm not alone over here. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Where do you see the market leaning towards today? I want to check US30 quickly as we just confirming. We'll also check gold. We'll check various things over there. But we can clearly see that it did actually, if we can break it down, USD JPY, we do have a change of character. We've got highs that were taken over there. We also did have a change of character, but that was the last lower high. There we go. Okay. I just want to break down the trend. We got an impulse, we got a pullback, we've got an impulse and a pullback right now. So the last lower high was this place over here. Okay. So that's on the 15 minutes time frame. That was the last lower high. So there's a high possibility that the market may just do something like this. Let's just see it. Where we can get actually the market going into this, then sell. If we can be very specific on that setup. Okay. I'm just going to recheck DXY over here exactly. There's the very same thing that's happening on DXY. There we go. I see your comments now. Okay, fidelity, that's what I see. That's what I can see. I see movements to the upside. Which one are you talking about? USD JPY or what? I think it will drop, sweep sell liquidity, then go all the way up. Are we talking about USD JPY, family? Are we talking about what? Nasdaq? USD JPY, I think it's a sell all the way. Okay, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Those who gave their comment there, which pair are you talking about? Let me just get them closer here so I don't go all the way far. Okay. Which comment are you talking? Oh, which pair are you talking about? Okay, I'm only gonna get more confirmation like literally like few minutes before. I don't really have so much confirmation. Okay. I'm in a sell on gold. Gold has been selling, definitely. Gold has been selling for quite a while now. USD JPY. Okay. Gold has been selling for quite a while. So let us see. So are you on sell like right now on gold or you holding? Where did you enter? Where did you enter? I have not been checking out gold as much. I will be very honest with you. Unless you are entered at this levels here and you've been selling. So we'll see exactly what will happen. I just want to check some stocks here because stocks do affect this stuff over here. A few minutes left, and then I will give my hypothesis exactly where the stuff are going. Okay. USD JPY. I see a downswing. I think it's a sell. Okay. USDT. It's a sell. How about GDP USD? I'll check it out right now. Okay. UJ bearish up retracement leg to around previous supply 15 minutes before bearish overall impulse, though there's no liquidity to grab, therefore price can just rally bearish targeting 160. Interesting observation, interesting, amazing. I do like that. That's a very nice detailed. Yeah, gold has been quite bearish, as you can see. The trend has been quite bearish for some days right now. Okay, for some days, it has been quite bearish. If you're gonna put your Fibonacci over there, you will see as well that we're actually in a bearish market. Let me just see something on Nasdaq, then we will go on. Did I go on to Nasdaq already? I don't think so. Just gonna take my Fibonacci. There we go. Okay, this is a very good zone over here. Nasdaq is sitting on a nice supply over there. Nasdaq is sitting on a nice supply. Let's double check. Okay, but they all can't sell, so I'm gonna have to come to a conclusion very soon. Very soon, very soon. USD JPY, I mean, what do we call this thing? GDP USD can also give us a very good directive here of what's going to happen. Okay, just want to prepare my MetaTrader over here. Okay. Okay. Get you guys the direction shortly right now. Okay. There's something that I'm checking on all of these pairs that I can't mention. That's why I'm just going silent. There's a strategy that I just use, so I just want to double check some of the stuff here that are happening. Okay. Okay. Great family. Okay. Yeah, so there's high chances that Nasdaq is gonna just sell. High chances that Nasdaq is gonna sell. As I said, it can be a very risky event, so please do apply risk management. There are three events all at once. Three events all at once. I will be taking sales on USDJ on Nasdaq. I will be taking sales on Nasdaq myself, but it's a very risky trade over here. Three events. Okay, stop loss is gonna be there. Just 1:1. Once the candlestick shoots, I'm out of it. So we don't trade news like technicals. Okay, we don't trade news like technicals. Okay, DXY, Nasdaq. Okay, so USD JPY, it has a high chance of buying as predicted over here. High chance of just buying. Nasdaq has a high chance of selling. Okay, so I'll be trading on Nasdaq. Remember, guys, this is a very high risk thing. We have three events all at once, so we may get a whipsaw. So be extra careful if you're gonna be taking this. Be very extra careful if you're gonna be taking this trade. Be very extra careful. Again, we're obligated by our government. This is not a signal. I'm just taking a trade here by myself. If you see the information and you want to entertain it, that's all right. Okay. There we go. Okay, we are getting it a bit being bullish at that point. Just want to see something quickly. USD JPY, what's its response? Bit of sells there, then a spike. There's that spike happening. Nasdaq is now selling. There we go. There we go. So as I told you, we did expect the market to sort of spike because this is multiple events. So you saw it at spike bullish and then now we are selling. Okay. Yeah, if you don't have any knowledge, you rather sit it out. Okay. You rather sit it out because it can be a whipsaw. Okay. And you want to take what the market gives you. So don't wait for the TP to mitigate. This is news trading, guys. You want to just take what the market gives you. So if you entered sales on Nasdaq, you rather come out. Okay. Let's just see something on USD JPY, and then now we are going back. So it gave us those buys, not so much. Let's see gold. Gold doesn't like spiking during news. Let's see what it did. It was a perfect buy on gold. I just want to see DXY, what it did. DXY sold. DXY sold. Gold. Just want to see something. USD JPY. USD JPY just spiked down and then bought. Okay. So yeah, we have multiple events. I prefer not going in too much over here. It did sell a little bit, trail stopping. So I do have an EA that deals with that, that kicks me out. Let's see if we can get something over here, guys. Didn't come to just give you peanuts over here, okay? Let's just see. Let's wait for this setup over here. Let's wait for this USD JPY setup to mitigate. Then that's when we can actually take a trade, all of us. Okay. So we're just going to wait for the market to sort of just pull back into these areas and then get to sell. Yesterday, it did the very same thing with US 30. I was impatient and it sort of just played out just after we just closed the stream. Okay, I don't have all day, but we can try by all means to push it as long. But today I have limited time, so I did actually sacrifice to do this live stream. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait. As you can see, it's still spiking back up. Whips or candles, so it doesn't know where to go, whether to buy or sell or hold the candle. So if it can't hold the candle, then might as well not to go into this one. Okay, so but if you had entered here based on my brother's observation here that UJ is bearish, then definitely you might have made some profits over there. Holding buys on USD JPY. Yeah, pound USD rather. Why am I lip sync today? Let's go here. I see this buys. Where did you enter? Where did you enter? Let me just see the chat over here so it can show me. Um, let me just see this buys. Yeah, these buys are filling in a fair value gap over here. So that's why it's buying. Let's just wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. See? Whipsaw. Entered early in the morning and held. Oh, great. Okay, okay. Understood. Yeah, so this is the thing that happens a lot when there's multiple events all at once. We had the initial jobless claims, um, we had this thing, durable goods, as well as the GDP. So all events at once, when it comes into play, they will also just spike the market. I tell you. So this is what exactly they will do. They will take off the market, whipsaw it. Okay, so let's rather wait over here. If not, please do take this a screenshot. Please do take the screenshot because after there's a thing that happens uh, after we just go off the stream, the market just plays out to the T to our setups. Like yesterday, US 30 did. You sold. Did you come out? Did you come out on Nasdaq? It's still gonna sell. As I said, guys, we don't hold news. When you enter news, 30 seconds to 1 minute is enough, right? Especially in news trading, because especially when I gave the warning to say that 3 events all at once, you take what the market gives you. Take what the market gives you. So if it gives you small, small, you just take small, small. Then you rather wait for a setup like this one over here. Let me just place this one nicely. Okay. So if you just sold, this may seem like a small movement, but to the 1 minute, if you entered, this was just a small sell. Then it whipsawed. So it went up, it sold, and then now we're up. Then it's going back into this. Or rather, you just close that trade. You didn't. You rather close that trade, guys. You rather close that trade. Close that trade. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Close the trade, brother. Close the trade. Get out of the trade. We don't hold news. It can actually really obey this. Let's just see something. Maybe we might get redemption there. It can actually obey this because this is a very strong supply when it came to the. Give me a second over here. Yeah, this is a strong supply when it came to this, so it may just push it further down. But I would want to get more confirmation on this. I want to get more confirmation on this. After the close of this candle, we'll know exactly what should happen. Uh, let's see here. Running in profits, USD JPY, um, pound USD. Should I hold? I don't hold news, so I wouldn't advise to hold. Yeah, it's not a lottery, definitely, guys. It's not a lottery. Okay, especially when warnings are given. We have three events all at once, so we can't really say we are going in a lot over there. Let me just show you what I mean by that. Oh, I'm going to use the JPY. Look at that. I wanted to actually go to give me a second here. I just want to share this. Okay, so we have got all three events all at once, guys. So when they impact, you see down it came out positive, but the US dollar is not buying. If it comes out positive like this, it means that the US dollar should buy, but that's not what is happening. That's why I'm saying we should wait. Okay, so three events, I do not like them. As the previous was negative, but as we can see, the focus to the actual result that comes out is positive. So when it comes out like this, usually we get sells out of Nasdaq and then buys out of USD JPY. But it's three events all at once. We get that. USD JPY as we predicted. Yeah, USD JPY, I did predict that it should sort of just buy off here. So I didn't take USD JPY. Okay, I'm just going to wait for it to mitigate my setup. Then that's when I'm actually going to sell. If it's going to buy, probably if we can use this demand over here, obeying that result that we see. Oh, I'm still on this thing over here. Let's go to my screen so I can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we rather wait for it to come back all the way there and then get to sell. If you're gonna catch this buy, it can be also as well a bit risky. Rather wait for the market to mitigate with the trend. Let's just check Nasdaq. It's still over here on the supply, so we'll have to wait for it. So now check DXY. What happened? DXY didn't move this time. DEX, man. DEX didn't move this time. So usually DEX does move with USD events. Gold bought beautifully. Gold bought beautifully, but I would have lost on gold. US30, no movement on US30. No movement. So hence I don't actually trade US30 during news. Yeah, it does move. Usually it should move. So today then there's something wrong. Three events all at once. It's a recipe for disaster. DXY, where are we? We are bearish. USD JPY is going to continue bearish, guys. If DXY is bearish, USD JPY is going to continue bearish. So this is not going to hold. And that means Nasdaq will go bullish. Yeah. Just screenshot that. Just screenshot that, please. Just screenshot that. So this is Nasdaq now. It's responding to that 50%, but it's a temporary. I will tell you. I will tell you. This is temporary. But according to the results, we should be getting Nasdaq sells and USD JPY buys. So we'll get to see that, but that's probably just a temporary pullback. Then it will go higher. You see? Yeah, that will be a temporary pullback. USD JPY will continue sells right now. Why do I say that? I do have DXY over here selling, being on that supply that we spoke about. I wish we could trade DXY, but there's not many brokers that offer DXY but spot on. So if DXY is selling, then Nasdaq should buy, USD JPY should sell, pound should buy, all of that hajjaks. US30 is refusing most of our buys. The analysis you did yesterday is still holding. Oh my god, that analysis was top notch. How much are you on, man? I didn't take the US30 buy. I only realized later on. I was on that Nasdaq buy that we was it a buy? Yes, I was on that Nasdaq buy that we took, right? And that went well. So yesterday was a very good day. I don't think the markets today they wanna give us that movement. Hey, brother. Yes, brother. Yes, brother. I see. This is like a biblical channel, right? Tell me, tell me. Good day, brother. Good day. Good day. Good day. So it's not all days where we're gonna get a glorious ending like yesterday's and the days. If the market does not move, there's nothing that we can actually do. Yeah, there's nothing that we can actually do if the market doesn't move as much as we want it. Okay. Nevertheless, I believe I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow. What we're all about over here is, of course, we are Skilled FX Academy, and institutional, or rather, that aims to provide the highest level of forex education in the simplest way, and that's what you have seen here in even our past broadcast. Okay, so but I should set a rule as well, guys. When we broadcast, I think I will go in a bit like four days in a week. It's either we jump Monday, then we move it from Tuesday all the way to Friday, or I do it from Monday to Thursday, and then Friday I do not. Okay. Because yeah, they do take a lot as well in terms of broadcasting every single day. But I thank you so much, guys. Those who made profits made profits. Those who took a loss, again, we'll take more trades when it comes to that. Again, when you're trading news, simple rules that I need you to obey. Either if you are just alone, when there's two or more news impacts at the same time, you rather not trade. There's a brother that set it out. That was a good decision. You rather not trade that, or you trade very cautiously and you get out very fast. As soon as the market goes into your profit, you take your profit and that's it. Okay. If there's just two impacts, then it's fine. Especially like let's say when there's NFP and unemployment rate coming out. NFP is more of a bigger event in terms of database. The market is going to respond to the bigger event. Here in this case, all of this were big events. Durable goods, the GDP, and the initial jobless claims on itself. It's a very powerful event alone. So when they're all released, they will make the market do what we just saw today. Then overall, technically take a direction. So that's what I'm saying. We just want to wait for a setup here. You can just screenshot the setup, then take it by yourself later on when you're alone. Okay. So just a lesson to so many people trading news. If you're trading multiple news, rather stay away. Okay. I will close off our stream here just today. And then, of course, we'll continue, I believe, Monday, because tomorrow I'm going to be actually really, really busy. So we'll take our live streams from Monday all the way to Thursdays, Monday to Thursdays. Then in that way, it won't be exhausting for me. in terms of resource and just being available. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. um I will do an intraday focus tomorrow and an educational video, so look out for that, family. Please do, please do. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And please do like the stream, guys. Too. Please do like the stream. And if there's anything you want to contact us about, again, that's the information that's on your screens right there. Um, Let me just see as well. Just comments before we can. Did not take the trade. Too many events at the same time for me. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, no problem, guys. The numbers on the screen, you can contact us about our course or just sending us analysis or any inquiries. My team is there 24/7 to answer you. And we're closing off our 50% off our course. So we are having 50% of our advanced trading course and our mentorship. So we're closing that off the 30th. I'm not sure if it's Saturday or which one. Yeah, it should be somewhere there. Okay, I do not recommend brokers as much and prop firms because I banned doing that. I do not recommend those guys ever again, because then you recommend a prop firm or you recommend a broker, then they scam clients. Then somebody says, oh man, you recommended something and they scammed me. So rather just do research on yourself, look at the reviews and so forth of a broker and prop firm, then you decide based on that. Okay, just to be on the safer side. But yeah, I will see you guys Monday, but I will post videos tomorrow, an educational video on news trading. So definitely thank you guys for joining me. See you Monday.